In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an online course in Wix, a complete guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and get you set up to share your knowledge with the world effortlessly. To begin, head over to Wix.com. If you're new to Wix, sign up for an account. Once you've set up your account, go ahead and click on Create New Site. When prompted to choose a category, opt for Education, Training, or Online Courses. This step ensures that the template options you receive are tailored for educational purposes, which will make the customization process smoother. Next, you'll be greeted with a range of templates. Select one that's optimized for online courses or memberships. This is crucial because it lays the foundation for how your course will function and look. Once you've picked a template, personalizing it with your branding comes next. Incorporate your logo, select your color palette, and start shaping the template to reflect your unique style and voice. After customizing your template, click on Edit Site to enter the website editor. It's here that you'll truly begin crafting your online course offering. Now, let's expand your site's functionality by visiting the Wix App Market. You're going to want to search for and add a couple of apps. Wix Paid Plans is great for managing subscriptions or course access, while Wix Online Programs helps with structuring your course modules efficiently. Once you've found these, click Add to Site to integrate them into your Wix account. With those apps in place, open either the Online Programs or Paid Plans app to start building your course. First, create a new course by naming it. Something catchy like Mastering Digital Marketing could work. Then craft a compelling course description outlining the benefits and learning outcomes your students can expect. Don't forget to upload a course image or banner to give it a professional touch. Populating your course with content is the next step. Add lessons or modules by including video tutorials, PDFs, slides, or other learning resources. If you'd like, you can add quizzes or assessments to enrich the learning experience. Organize everything into structured sections to facilitate easy navigation for your students. Moving on to pricing and access, you'll decide how participants can join your course. You can set up a one-time payment for the full course, a subscription plan, or even tiered memberships for access to multiple courses. Configure access settings to allow students to see only the lessons they've enrolled in, and consider offering free trial lessons for promotional purposes. To streamline the enrollment process, add a sign-up or enrollment form to capture student details effectively. You can connect these forms to Wix CRM or email marketing tools to manage follow-up seamlessly. Additionally, enabling automatic confirmation emails post-registration and payment ensures your students feel welcomed and informed. We're nearly there. Preview your website on both desktop and mobile devices. Test every part of the process, including enrollment, payment gateways, and content access. Make any final adjustments, then hit the Publish button to share your course with the world. Congratulations, you've just built an incredible online course with Wix. Enjoy teaching and good luck with your new venture.